Hey guys, E Major here. And our friends Aiden, Jake and Jonah found out that there are secret commands that let Plotagon voices sound out realistic sounds. But the Joey and Jennifer voices can't sound these out. Now give me a second while I change my voice to Rod.
Okay, now to sound these out. Actually, there are 3 variations of this sound. And they are. Wow, I love these sounds. There is also the crying sound, and there are actually 4 variations. You use it when you want to indicate that your character is really sad. Here is what coughing sounds like.
Wow, you sound so funny when.
Oh no. Get out of here right now.
No. Yes. Nope.
Anyways, the last 2 we're gonna do is sneezing and yawning. Achoo! So yeah, those were the realistic sounds included in Rod. And E minor, what are you even doing in here? Well, I'm just going to call a melodic minor in here. But first, I'm going to change my voice back to Joey. And I don't know how you're able to change your voice when you don't know simple rules.
So E minor, can you stand up so E melodic minor can get some room on the bed?
No.
Get up.
No way.
Get up now, I don't have time for your crap.
No E major. No.
If you don't get up, I will push you off.
I will like to see you do it.
Alright, if you say so.
Why did you do that?
Because you literally asked me to push you.
Oh, whatever. Just get our stupid sister in here.
I was going to. And stop calling her stupid. E minor major, can you come here for a minute?
I thought her name was E melodic minor.
Musical scales of multiple names, you know. Her notes are the same as mine, but she has a minor third instead of a major third.
Yes, Ionian?
Are you aware that most of the Plotagon voices have realistic sounds?
Yeah.
I just tested out Rod with the sounds, and I know Karen has some realistic sounds. So can you change your voice to Karen?
Sure thing. After that, then I'll see how my own voice sounds.
Okay, now let's test them out. So that was the realistic sounds for Karen. Now I'll change back to my own voice.
Alright, here we go. Achoo! Achoo!
Hey, don't you think we should test it out with other people too?
Yes!
Okay, then.
Like me.
Well, I forgot to tell you this, but Joey doesn't have realistic emotional sounds.
Yeah, it does. Watch. #sneeze01#.
I told you it's not going to work.
#sneeze02#.
Are you trying to sneeze on me? Look, I was nice enough to let you stay here, so you better behave. I'm going to get C minor over here so he can show us the Josh voice.
Good morning, E major.
Good morning, C minor. So you know why you were here, right?
Yeah. Okay, that's all.
Up next, F. Lydian.
Alright, here I go. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Hee hee hee. Boo-hoo. Wah wah. Boo-hoo. Y'all. Cough cough. Cough cough cough. Achoo. Achoo. Yawn. Yawn.
That didn't sound realistic at all.
I know.
Up next, Eiertanz.
I'm going to demonstrate Olivia. All right, I'm done.
Up next, G minor.
Let's get started. Ah ha ha ha. That didn't sound realistic.
Okay, we will skip any voices that don't sound realistic. Next up is G major.
Okay, let's test it out.
Those clips sound the same as Karen.
Yeah.
Up next, Liqueed lead.
Fun fact, Rosie is the creator's favorite voice. That is all for today.
Alright, we are going to do 2 more and then we are done. Up next, Lydian.
Hello, Ionian. Remember me from Jacksonville?
Yeah.
That's you. That's all.
Lastly, the sun.
Does your brother still think I'm a planet?
Yeah.
Well, I'll not worry about that right now.
That's you. That's you. Oh. Oh.
Okie dokie.
Alright, we are all done here.
All of you, and I mean every single one of you, sounded ugly, unbearable, stupid, and idiotic. I hate all of you. I wish you guys would jump off a building so I wouldn't have to get to see any of your crap faces ever and ever again. Now get the freaking heck out right freaking now.
E minor, can you sit on the bed for a second? I have a nice little message for you.
Okay.
Now, what I wanted to say is you freaking bald but people scaring minor. How dare you yell at our friends and scare them away? That's so freaking it. I've got something to say. E minor, you'll never ever learn, will you? First of all, you know barely anything other than how to be bad. Second, you ruin the announcements. Third, you are just so terrible that you remind me of Gail from Ashton's, Jake's, John Nah's, Aiden's, Javier's, Ryan's, Chia's, Zachary's, Elijah's, and other people's videos. I'm having trouble finding out why are you so juvenile. I just don't know WHO is worse, you or Caillou. I just hate the way you act around here. No team grounded videos for you. Do you know how hard Boris's life is? And I feel the same way too. Caillou tried going to therapy once, but that didn't work out, and I believe you would do the same as him because you two are so bratty. I just don't know what to do with you. You will never ever stop being like Caillou unless I do I don't know what. Nothing seems to be working. When I fix you up, I'll be so happy. But before I send you in the room, did you know that Team Grounded members do not like Rod and Karen's realistic sounds?
So you're saying that you're okay with them not liking the voices but not me?
I never said that, Minor. I'm fine with you not liking those voices, but you have said harsh things to our friends. That's why I'm infuriated. At first, I even thought they were weird too. But now, I actually like them. I just like my current voice better. And no, it wouldn't be right to punish you for your opinions. We all have our own thoughts on things. And it also wouldn't be right to wish death upon someone. I knew I couldn't trust you to behave in his room. Get in the room. So guys, what did you guys think about those sounds? Comment down below. And happy birthday, Javier. Sorry we couldn't make a birthday special for you. Credit to Suave Studios, Silent Damp, and Vivid Jake. And credit to all of Team Grounded for freaking bald Bud Minor. They do that for the groundings in their grounded videos. That's all for now. See you next time.